Hello formulators, it's Tasha of Tasha Monet's Formulations. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you for choosing my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making some alpha hydroxy exfoliating pads. This recipe will help with acne-prone skin and hyperpigmentation, but it is suitable for all skin types. So let's get into this video. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe and turn on your notifications. See you in the comments soon.